Unleashing the Digital Frontier, a comprehensive guide on how to make a full-time income online. In a world where the digital realm is constantly evolving, the prospect of making a full-time income online has become more enticing than ever. Whether you're looking to escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind or seeking additional financial freedom, the internet offers a myriad of opportunities waiting to be explored. Picture waking up on your terms, working from anywhere in the world, and watching your bank account grow without being confined to a conventional office. Intrigued? Let's delve into the exciting and dynamic world of online income, where possibilities are boundless and success is within reach. Identify your niche. The first step on your journey to a full-time online income is identifying your niche. What are you passionate about? What skills do you possess? Whether it's writing, graphic design, coding, or even niche hobbies, finding your area of expertise is crucial. The online world rewards specialization, so choose something you love and can excel in. Explore sub-niches within your broader interest. This not only helps you stand out, but also allows you to target a specific audience. Build your online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is key to attracting opportunities. Create a professional website or blog showcasing your skills and expertise. Invest time in crafting a compelling bio, and use high-quality visuals to make a lasting impression. Leverage social media platforms to connect with your audience. Share your knowledge and build a community around your niche. Consistency is key. Regular content updates will keep your audience engaged and attract potential clients or customers. Engage with your audience through comments and direct messages, fostering a sense of connection that goes beyond the screen. Monetize your skills. Once your online presence is established, it's time to monetize your skills. Explore freelance opportunities on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, but don't undersell yourself. Set competitive yet fair rates based on your expertise. Offer packages that provide value to clients, showcasing the range of services you offer. Additionally, consider creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or even personalized merchandise related to your niche. These products not only diversify your income, but also establish you as an authority in your field. Dabble in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a lucrative avenue for earning passive income online. Choose affiliate programs that align with your niche and resonate with your audience. Carefully integrate affiliate links into your content, ensuring they add value rather than interrupting the user experience. Disclose your affiliations transparently to build trust with your audience. To maximize earnings, focus on promoting products or services that you genuinely believe in and can endorse authentically. Explore e-commerce. The world of e-commerce has opened up vast opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. Set up an online store and sell physical or digital products. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon make it easy for individuals to start their e-commerce ventures with minimal investment. Conduct market research to identify gaps or trends in your niche and source or create products accordingly. Implement effective marketing strategies, including social media promotions and email campaigns, to drive traffic to your online store. Create and monetize content. Content creation is a powerful way to make a full-time income online. Whether it's through blogging, podcasting, or creating videos on platforms like YouTube, engaging content can attract a large audience. Invest in quality equipment and production to elevate your content. Once you've built a substantial following, monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or even fan support through platforms like Patreon. Collaborate with other content creators in your niche to expand your reach and tap into new audiences. Embrace remote work opportunities. The rise of remote work has created a plethora of online job opportunities. Explore remote job boards and websites that connect freelancers with employers seeking virtual talent. Develop a professional online portfolio highlighting your skills and experiences. Tailor your applications to showcase how your expertise can benefit remote employers. From virtual assistants to remote project management, there are numerous roles available for those looking to secure a full-time income without stepping foot in a traditional office. Master SEO for visibility. In the vast digital landscape, visibility is paramount. Mastering the basics of search engine optimization, SEO, can significantly enhance your online presence. Research and implement relevant keywords, create quality backlinks, and optimize your website's structure. Regularly update your content to stay current with search engine algorithms. Utilize tools like Google Analytics to track your website's performance and make data-driven decisions for further optimization. Participate in online surveys and market research. If you're looking for a simple way to make some extra cash online, consider participating in online surveys and market research studies. Many companies pay individuals for their opinions on products and services. While it may not replace a full-time income, it can be a convenient and low-effort way to supplement your earnings. Sign up for reputable survey platforms and allocate a specific time each day or week to participate in surveys, ensuring a steady stream of additional income. Cryptocurrency and online trading. The world of cryptocurrency and online trading has gained immense popularity. While it requires careful research and understanding of the market, individuals have found success in trading cryptocurrencies, stocks, or forex online. Platforms like Coinbase or eToro make it accessible for beginners to dip their toes into the exciting world of online trading. Educate yourself on market trends and risk management strategies, and utilize demo accounts to practice before venturing into live trading. Stay informed about regulatory developments and industry news to make informed decisions in this dynamic field. Online tutoring and consulting. Share your knowledge and expertise by offering online tutoring or consulting services. Platforms like Chegg Tutors or Clarity.fm connect experts with those seeking guidance. Develop a structured curriculum or consulting approach tailored to the needs of your clients. Whether you excel in academic subjects, business strategy, or any specialized skill, online tutoring and consulting can be a fulfilling way to make a living while helping others succeed. Leverage testimonials and reviews to build credibility and attract a steady stream of clients. Subscription-based models. Consider implementing a subscription-based model for your content or services. Whether it's a membership site, a premium newsletter, or exclusive access to your expertise, subscription-based models can provide a steady and predictable income stream. Develop a tiered subscription structure with varying levels of benefits to cater to different audience segments. Platforms like Patreon or Substack make it simple to set up and manage subscriptions. Regularly communicate with your subscribers, providing exclusive content and updates to ensure ongoing value and retention. Diversify income streams. One key to financial success online is diversifying your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. By exploring multiple avenues simultaneously, you create a more resilient financial foundation. Mix and match strategies like freelancing, affiliate marketing, and product sales to build a robust and sustainable online income. Periodically assess the performance of each income stream and adapt your strategy based on market trends and evolving consumer preferences. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning and innovation to stay ahead in the ever-changing digital landscape. Conclusion. In conclusion, the digital landscape is teeming with opportunities for those eager to make a full-time income online. By identifying your niche, building a strong online presence, and leveraging various monetization strategies, you can turn your passion into a thriving online business. The key is to stay persistent, adapt to the ever-changing online landscape, and continuously seek new avenues for growth. As you embark on your online income journey, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks. Your support is invaluable on this exciting adventure. Thank you for joining us in exploring the boundless possibilities of the digital frontier. JudyFmarketing.com, the anti-9-to-5 income plan. How I quit my job and retired decades early. JudyFmarketing.com, the anti-9-to-5 income plan. How I quit my job and retired decades early.